Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on EOS coin. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that EOS coin first broke out this falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart, and after that it also broke out this up channel, and then it tried to break out this quite long-term resistance on that starts from $1.15 and goes to $1.30, but got rejected and dropped down at this support of 64.3 cents. By the way, and it was moved down at this support. At the same time, there was a bullish divergence signal flash, as you can see that the price had formed this low here, and the next low it was forming quite lower than the previous one, but at the same time stochastic was forming higher low than previous. So that was a quite clear bullish divergence signal, and the price and eventually followed this signal and now geared up, and recently we have broken out this resistance of 80 cents. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very huge breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this very big falling wedge pattern. And you can see that so far from this low to this high, EOS has rallied almost 163%, but could not break out this long-term resistance on. That starts from $1.15 and goes to $1.30. And previously, this level has been working as a support here and resistance here for several weeks a month, and now it is again working as a very strong resistance. At the same time, EOS is trying to break out. In fact, it has broken out this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and now it is testing this cloud as a support. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal worked, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report, and if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for OGN, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared the signal. For example, in this case, I shared the signal on 28th of March 2024, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm doing here, and after that it will show you how the price line moved from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me take you to the live chart of EOS coin. And this is the daily time frame chart, and previously we have been following this falling wedge pattern and this up channel. And after the breakout from this falling wedge pattern, I was telling you that the target can be here at 91.5 cents, and you can see that the price then has rallied beyond that target but got rejected by this long-term resistance zone that starts from $1.15 and goes to $1.30. However, after this big drop, there was a bullish divergence also flashed on this chart, as stochastic oscillator was forming higher low than previous low, and the price line was forming lower than previous. So that was a quite clear bullish divergence, and the price line followed this signal. And now recently, after gearing up, it has broken out this resistance of 80 cents. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 80 cents level has been previously working as a support here. Sorry, not here. Here it has been working as a support in the month of June 2022. Then it worked as a support here in the month of November 2022, and here as a support as well, and here as a support. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into a strong resistance, and it worked as a resistance here. And now again, it can work as a support. In fact, on the weekly time frame chart, you can see that the price and did not break it down. We had a long spike to the downside to the next support of 64.3, but the price line recovered back very soon and did not break down, in fact, this support, and now it is still moving at the support of 80 cents. And now the next resistance is here at 91.5 cents, and that has been previously working as a resistance here, and support here. And after that, the pricing will need to break out this huge resistance zone that starts from $1.15 and goes to $1.30. That had been previously working as a support here, and support here, resistance here, and for several months, for the past several months, you can see it is working as a resistance. Now, if we take a look at this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud, then you can see that we have broken out this cloud here, in the month of March 2022, and now the person has re-entered the cloud, but still did not break it down. In fact, we have tested the lower bands of this Ichimoku bearish cloud, and now this upper bands is almost at the same level where we have this long-term resistance of 91.5 cents. And now if you take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this very big falling wedge pattern, that technical target is, by the way, here at the top of the bed, that can be between $8 to $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.